In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send welcome email via Zapier with your personal email. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that sends a polished welcome message from your own Gmail account whenever the event you choose takes place. You just need a Zapier account and access to your personal Gmail. Start on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button, then choose Zaps to start a new automation from scratch. This opens the editor where you'll define two parts: what triggers the automation and what action Zapier should take in response. Begin by choosing your trigger. You'll see a prompt to select the event for your Zap to run. Pick the app and event that make the most sense for your workflow. For example, a new sign-up, a new contact, or any event that signals someone should receive a welcome email. Connect the relevant account if prompted and confirm the fields Zapier will capture. Keep in mind, whatever data your trigger provides, like first name or email address, can be used later to personalize your message. Next, add the action. In the action step, search for Gmail, then select Gmail as the app. When asked to choose an action event, pick Send Email. This tells Zapier that whenever your trigger fires, Gmail should send a message from your connected account. Now connect your Gmail account. Zapier will guide you through a quick, secure sign-in so it can send emails on your behalf. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as well. Once connected, you're ready to configure the details of your welcome message. While you won't add extra steps here, it helps to think through the essentials. Set the recipient to the email field coming from your trigger, craft a clear subject line, and write a warm, concise body that explains what the recipient can do next. Personalize with fields like first name if your trigger provides them, and keep your tone consistent with your brand. Before you rely on the automation, make sure your Gmail account is in good standing, stay within Google's sending limits, and avoid spammy formatting. A plain, friendly message with a clear call to action, like confirming their account or accessing a starter guide, works best. If your welcome flow includes links, test them carefully and consider adding a short signature so recipients recognize you. That's it. Your Zap is structured with a trigger that starts the process and a Gmail send email action that delivers your welcome note automatically. Follow through the editor to finish setup, then turn it on when you're ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new hands-off welcome workflow.